Maintenance of your newly planted turfgrass is critical during the first 4 to 8 weeks. Many turfgrass establishments fail during this initial time due to improper follow-up. Proper maintenance includes watering, mowing, fertilizing, and treating weeds on a regular basis. While the turf is being established, limit foot and vehicular traffic. Let's begin by discussing watering or irrigation needs. One of the biggest problems with new seedings is giving the seeding area enough water. Water the new planting soon after mulching. Give new seeding plenty of water in the first 14 days, then allow the planting to dry down and then re-wet. When watering, don't flood the area so the seeded area erodes. Gentle watering is preferred. Allow the new seeding a chance to grow before you begin mowing. However, mow as soon as the new plants are tall enough to touch the mower blade. Mowing signals the plant to produce tillers and will help the plant mature more quickly. Tillers are shoots that develop from the base of the grass plant and increase the density of the lawn. Peak tiller formation occurs in early spring and fall. There is no need to apply weed control herbicide for at least 3 months. Applications prior to this will weaken the stand of turf. However, soon after this time, you will want to control the weeds so that they don't become so abundant that they compete with the new seeding. Minimize and control the amount of foot and vehicular traffic on the new seeded area until it is fully established by not allowing people to walk or drive on it. Let's review the steps for the survival of your newly planted turf. Water or irrigate regularly for the first 14 days. Wait to mow until the plants touch the mower blade. Because the new turf is sensitive, apply no weed control herbicides for at least 3 months and minimize the foot and vehicular traffic on the newly planted turf.